Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong haka arpun rutrik unailur arhaza arpula klapin sedang ya ka Jingshakri ya ka Diamond Jubilee Celebration lani ka jingya lenti Shaki Hinriu Pautali ki Maumer ban a Jingshakri haka puli ka puthi na ka banta ki samla puli ki bapin khre yalade banlong ki nong hikai shisen kasngi Hagani kasngi la sakhilang do menteri katanat puli puthi ka sarkar jilla u rakam e sangma u balong kum ukongsan u advisor jong katanat puli puthi u ba Himalaya M Shangplyang u president jong ka college governing body u ba WL Lingdo ka principal jong ka PGT college ka Dr M A Jerwa bar kiwe ki bala shakhot singobha
Thank you very much, sir. And this is the background of the college, and to highlight on how our college has evolved to what it is today. The background will be presented thematically, keeping in mind its chronology. It has been a long journey, about to be 60 years. Of all the founding teachers, Professor S.N. Paul of St. Anthony's College continued in the services as a part-time staff of the college till the mid-1990s. When the Northeastern Hill University came into being in July 1973, the college got provisionally affiliated to it on 24th September 1973. The 20th of March 1996 is marked as an important milestone because on this day, the Postgraduate Training College was upgraded to the status of a College of Teacher Education, CTE, and granted recognition by the National Council of Teacher Education, NCTE, New Delhi, in the year 1997. The second aspect or theme is on the type of institution and student enrollment. The Postgraduate Training College was set up as a co-educational teacher education institution, and 1/3 of the total roll strength consisted of women, and a little more than 65% of the entire body of students were teachers already in service. The trainees who took admission also included candidates from the defense personnel stationed in Shillong from the Army and Air Force, and also from almost every Indian state of the Indian Union. Now when it comes to enrollment, it is encouraging to share that the classes started with 200 students, and with time the enrollment rose to a population of 350 to almost 450 students who were organized into both morning and day shifts. However, owing to NCTE guidelines, the enrollment got reduced to 100 students in a single day shift, and this resulted in a demographic change in the size, structure, and composition of student teachers. Very much, sir. Now we are declaring the celebration of the Diamond Jubilee of our college open, and I would request all our dignitaries to proceed outside.
The seed of PGT was sown on 19 March 1964. We are so grateful to Governor Basam, Government of Meghalaya, and NEC and the UGC for spending some of the amounts in the construction of the buildings so that we are here now. We are now using this building, it's the NEC building, which was funded by the NEC, recommended by the state government. Today in this inaugural session, it is only a showcase of 60 years. Showcase of 60 years in the pursuit of excellence in learning, teaching and research.
On behalf of the government, and on behalf of myself and our Honorable Chief Minister and entire cabinet, I would like to bring greetings to all of you on this auspicious occasion. Of course, it's just a beginning day. So my best wishes to all of you and to all the family members of these institutions. As our President has already stated, more than 3,000 trained teachers, trained individual has been produced from these institutions. So I wish that these institutions continue to serve the community, the state, the country to their students. As a government, we will certainly look into the matter. We understand the issues, and with Madam Principal, we were just discussing how to improve, how to make things happen for the greater, better of our people. There may not be crisis of resources. The government may have all kind of resources, be it the government of state government, be it the central government, be it the global level. Today, India is in a situation that we can travel to the moon. Maybe all this because of development of computer science and technology. But to the sweetness of this generation, as a faculty members, as expert, as a students of this generation, yes, if we depend on the computer science and technology, the science, what is happening today is a product of the natural intelligence of the great scientists of yesterday and today. If we just depend on technology and the computer science, these things will replace our natural intelligence. And we will not be having the natural intelligence stored in our minds, and our brains. Therefore, this is a generation that we should really, as institutions, we should really update ourselves to get the best brand of natural intelligence. Our young children, from 10 years, 8 years, even 2 years, 3 years, they know how to use the smartphone, the computer science. They don't need to teach. But today our institutions have to teach the ideas, how to control our children, how to control this technology. We don't need to learn how to use the technology, no. But now we have to learn beyond one stage, ahead than technology. We have to learn now how to control the technology. We have the capacity. We have the capacity. We have the talents. We have the resources. But let us contribute what we have, the best for the generation of youngs that is coming behind us for tomorrow. Now, if we look at the data, about 43%, about 18,000 teachers are not trained in the state. Who will train? Because we have the limited because of all these norms. So we will find a way to request the NCTE, if possible, to change some guideline to suit like our state. We have to move forward to find a way, because any policy which doesn't serve the purpose is not the best policy.
This is our concern, not only about the CTE to Shillong, it's the same issue with the Rongkon Tura, and also this is the issue of the entire state. Look, it's just a 50, so it's not enough. Look, 100 of our students are going to the West Bengal, Bihar, to the state. All this, I think it's a need of the hour. We will certainly give it. We will work with the NCT, and we will certainly will give the proposal to increase another set of batch for this both Tura and the Shillong.
How much you are proposing?
No, it means another batch means another 50 seats should be increased. What I feel. So we will put up the proposal, and also we will work out with NCT for due process.
What about the training? You said 18,000.
Yeah. This 18,000 we are working out. We are working out with IGNU and the NEOS. So we have written to them. So we are waiting their communication. And on top of that, because for the new curriculum under the NEP, for the new curriculum, new textbook, new design, in the month of January and February, we will be having extensive, massive training, short-term training, means refresher courses for all the teachers of the state. So that for the new academic session to be started from February 2023, they will be trained. So we want to go ahead with because there is a teacher who will really bring the change. We have already passed in the parliament, in the assembly. We are waiting for the Honorable Governor assent, and most likely the Williamson State University academic will start from 2024 with some department from the next academic session with some postgraduate courses. It is already they are on the job. They are on the job, and yes, it is definitely we are waiting for their suggestion, their recommendation. We are expecting the positive outcome that will give the expert opinion in redesigning our policies, our ideas. Okay?